Hi everyone, this is Ezekiel from CUSTOMILY, and today I'm going to show you how to create this amazing plaque for weddings, for engagement, or just any other loving occasion. So as you can see here, we have different elements that we are going to create, some of them with Canva and some of them in CUSTOMILY. As you can see, here we have to upload an image, just the same image that I have, and you can adapt it to fit the circle. And then you have this title. You can write the names here and a curved text. And you have different titles, Mr. and Mrs., I love you, engaged, shot married, any other one you want to add. So you're going to create this design. We are going to go first to Canva and then to Customly. It's really easy, it's simple, and it's fast, so you can publish it today. First of all, this is a Ginon product. This circle acrylic plate is from Ginon, and in Ginon we have the template so we can make the design fit perfectly in the product. Here is the template. I'm going to download this here. And here we have the dimensions. So we can create a design in Canva with these same dimensions and use this template to create a design. Then we are going to delete it, but it's useful as a guide. So let's go now to Canva. Now we have our new design in Canva, and I pasted the picture so we can use it as a guide. First of all, we are going to create the title that then in Customly we are going to use as a dynamic image. Different titles as dynamic images. Let's start with the title. Add a heading. Let's put it here. Let's write I love you first. And I like the typography, just write, but you can use the one you like. I don't have it here. Okay. Yeah, just right. Okay. And we have to make the effect of curved text. I think that's too much. No, maybe there. Okay, a little bigger. Okay. No, no. Um, there. Okay. Mhm. I need more curve. Maybe there. Okay. Always leave some space for the acrylic so you print the product okay. And now we need to we need to add the hearts. Yeah. So if we check in elements and check for hearts in graphics, um, I think this one, okay, but let's change the color. Yeah. Okay, for there, maybe we have to curve the text a little bit more. Okay. Now we have the title here, the first title. Before we do the other one, let's check for a frame. Here we have a frame with some flowers. So in elements, if we look for flowers frame, I think we could find it. Flower frame. Oh, yeah, there it is. And we need to make it bigger. Maybe there. Yeah, could be there. Okay. Now I know that I had to make more curve this text in effects. Okay, now it's better. Let's move this and this. Okay, and now we need to look to see how it looks with the picture. We are going to add a frame to place the image. The option maybe charts, tables, frames. Oh, and we have this circular frame here. We are going to need it as a mask then in Customly. So we need to use this and make it fit the frame. Yeah, okay. Let's use our picture here to test it. And let's move it back. Okay, that's great. The other thing that we are going to need is the carved text here with names, but we don't need to create that in Canva. We're just going to add it in Customly. Now we need the other titles. So let's copy just, no, let's copy the whole design so we see how it looks. Engaged. Maybe here we can move the hearts. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, Mr. and Mrs. We need to move the hearts again. Yeah, there. Yeah, and another one. Just married. Maybe this text needs to be smaller, just a little bit. There. Now, okay, there we have it. Have the four titles. You can add anything you want, and it's getting similar to this. Now, what are we going to download here? We're going to need all the separate elements. We are going to need the mask for the placeholder, the image placeholder. We're going to need the frame with flower, and we're going to need all the titles, separated titles. So let's make uh, a new page and just copy what we need. One title, the other title, another one, and the last one. Perfect. Now the other thing we need is the frame here. Perfect. And the last one is the mask. Probably we're going to need to, oh, I copy this. All right, let's do this. Move it back and delete all of this. Great. And we need it just in black. Okay, we have all the elements. I'm going to download them and we are going to meet again in Customly. Now we are in Customly and the first thing we are going to do is create a new design. So we go to My Designs and create design here. Well, let's put the name, wedding acrylic plaque. Okay, but we have a square design and we have the specific dimensions that we need. So we are going to resize this. Um, Pixels. Perfect. Now it's right. Okay, the first thing we need is the mask, the um, the image placeholder, and in behavior we can upload a mask. Perfect. And let's make it fit the design. And we can try with an image so we can see how it looks. And now we are going to add the frame. That's a dynamic image. Upload image, and the frame is here. Let's make it fit the design too. Perfect. Let's name the layers. Image upload be this is what your customer is going to see. So upload your image. This is just the frame. And now we are going to need the titles. Um, it's a curved text. Sorry, it's not the title. The names of the couple. That's the curved text we need. Let's try with. I think I put Sean and Megan there, but is the curve is wrong. We need to change it. So let's first try another typography that goes with the design. I think I like this one. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, as you can see, we need to change this. So it's convex, and now we can fit with the frame. I'll put it there. We have names, right? Couple, right names. Perfect. And now we need the titles. The titles are the dynamic image. Yeah. Fit the design. So, and we need to upload the 4 images that we have. There it is. Okay. So as you can see, if I change the option, this is what your customer is going to see then. The title just changes. Great. That's perfect. Now, let's save this design and go to create a product. Oh, let's first change this. Select title. Remember that the customer is going to see this. You can change it after, but we are here, so let's do it. Save design. Okay, that's perfect. Now, if you go to Start, you will have this button to create a new product. And we are going to choose Shine On. Remember that this is a circular acrylic plaque from Shine On. Have a lot of products from Shine On, so let's search, and here we have it. I prefer the Gooden base for this. And pick from your designs. Let's go to the bottom of the list, and we have it. Okay. So now CUSTOMILY is creating all the template, the product options, and it's doing all the hard work for you. So let's give it a few seconds. And there it is. Let's try it. Select an image. We can adapt it to the frame. Perfect. Sean and Megan, we can choose titles here. Great. But we can do something better for our customers' experience creating their own product. You can see these titles. It's difficult to read what they said, so we can create a better image for this. For that, we are going to Canva again, and then we are going to the edit options button. Now, here in Canva, we are going to add a text here to be really easy to read. So, I love you, maybe really big and fit the whole page. This, okay, there it is. Now make a copy and do the other ones. Just married, not to make it smaller. Engaged. This needs to be a little bit smaller. Great. And Mr. and Mrs. Right. This can be bigger. There it is. So now let's go to CUSTOMILY again and I show you how to change this. Now, last step. You go to edit options and let's make that we can preview the options. In select title, we have all the options here. As you can see, we have this image, but if we remove it and make a new one, engaged, now we have it here. As you can see, it's more, well, it's nicer to the customer. You can read it better, you can see it better. So it will make a better experience for them. Let's change all of them. Since I love you, I love you. Just married. And the last one is Mr. and Mrs. Now if we save these options here, much better. Let's save the product image with the product created with all the elements. So it looks better in the listing page. There, right. You can visualize the preview, save this as product image, and we are done. We just have to publish the product and it's on our store. So guys, if you need all the assets that we created in Canva in this video, I will leave the link below so you can download it. And if you're not using Customly yet, you can try it free on Shopify or Etsy for 9 days. It's a free trial. I will leave you the link below too. And if you need any help, you have any question, any doubts, let's leave it in comments. so we can answer you and help you to get it done. So see you next one.